Is this assignment visible? Is the table assignment visible to everyone? This table assignment. Okay. So 10th D class, I have framed one assignment for you people, which I'll be discussing it today, and I'll be sending it to you also for practice. Consider it to be your third assignment. Second assignment you are to submit today. As per the roll number, due date is today. I think 1 to 15 roll numbers will submit the assignment today as per the due date. Consider this to be the third assignment. Let us start. I'll be first of all discussing the theory questions, then I will implement the coding question in the notepad. Let us come to the second question. Name any 5 values of frame attribute of table tag. Raise your hands for the answer. 5 values of frame attribute of table tag. Yes, raise your hand for the answer. Beta, 5 values are box, border, above, below, left hand side LHS, RHS, right hand side, V sides, vertical sides, H sides, horizontal sides, void. So many values I have discussed. Box, border, above, below, LHS, RHS, V sides, H sides, void. Total 9 values are there. You are to state any 5. You are to state any 5. So these are the possible values of frame attribute. Okay. Now, third question. This is conceptual question. Identify from the following options which are the attributes of TD tag. You have 10 to 11 options available with you, and you are to identify which are the attributes of TD tag. Remember one thing very carefully. Whatever are the options of TD tag, the same are the options of attributes of TH tag. The attributes of TD and TH are same. Divyansh has raised hand. Yes, Divyansh, start. Start with the first. Height. Unmute yourself, Divyansh. Am I audible to you, Divyansh? Unmute yourself, beta. Yeah. Yes, yes, Divyansh, try for the first answer. Is height the attribute of TD tag?
No, sir.
Correct. Width?
With no, sir.
Width is the attribute of TD tag. रो की हाइट होती है, सेल की विड्थ होती है. सो विड्थ इज द एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ टीडी टैग. ओके, बीजी कलर. दिव्यांश, ट्राई बीजी कलर.
Yes, sir.
यस, करेक्ट. सेल स्पेसिंग, सेल पैडिंग.
Cell spacing, cell padding. Yes, sir.
नो, these both are the attributes of table tag. रो स्पैन.
Sir, ये है.
रो स्पैन इज एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ टीडी टैग. रो स्पैन
Yes.
और कॉल स्पैन टी आर में नहीं होते, टेबल में भी नहीं होते. दीज टू आर द एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ टीडी एंड टीएच. अलाइन एट्रीब्यूट, दिव्यांश.
No, sir. नहीं.
Yes, it is. It is. V align, vertical align.
सर ये नहीं पता।
V align means vertical align, top, middle, bottom. It is also the attribute of TD tag. Border color, ये बताओ दिव्यांश. Divyansh,
है सर।
no, border color is only in the table, Divyansh. Otherwise, still I appreciate you have tried. Good. So I write here all the attributes of TD tag. Okay.
ओके सर।
Align, V align, right. So I write here all the possible attributes of TD and TH. Align, V align, BG color, background, width, row span, call span. These are the possible attributes of TD and TH. TD और TH के ये सारे attributes हैं. Okay? Am I clear? Now under this I write all the attributes of TR. Align, V align, BG color, background, height. These are the attributes of TR tag, that is table row. These are the attributes of TR tag, that is table row. Am I clear to all? These are the attributes of TD and TH. These are the attributes of TR. Okay. Now one very interesting question is going to come. Let me see how many of you can answer it. I have displayed the list of attributes. You are to tell me the tag name to which the following attribute belongs to. If the attribute comes in more than one tag, tell me the name of all the tags. So let us start this question and raise your hand whosoever knows the answers. But if you want to give the answer, you have to on your video first. First, BG color. BG color attribute किस किस tag में होता है? I start with Bisam. Yes, Bisam Jot. Start with the BG color, beta.
Body tag TD TR
Wait. One by one. Body, okay.
TD
TD tag, okay.
TR
TR, okay. Good, very good.
and table.
Table. Any left? TH, beta.
TH.
Very good. Good. Shabash, Bisam. Good. Good start. All right. Now, what important instruction I want to give? Listen carefully. Whenever in the theory test, theory paper, you are to write the tag. Tag must be written in angular brackets. If someone write answer like this, it will be considered wrong because you have not enclosed the tag inside the angle brackets. Okay. So don't forget this point. TH, TR, table. All right. Cell padding. Cell padding. Yes, Isha Preet. Unmute yourself.
Table tag.
Very correct. Very good, Isha Preet. Table tag. Very nice. Align attribute. ये जरा सोच के बोलना. Let me see who can answer the align attribute. दिव्यांश पहले वीडियो पे आइए अगर आंसर देना चाहते हो तो. Okay, Raina is there. Yes, Raina.
सर टेबल टैग और टीआर टैग।
टेबल टैग और
टीआर टैग।
टीआर और ये तो बड़ा कॉमन एट्रीब्यूट है कि तो कई कई टैग्स में आता है। कोशिश करो रायना।
और टीडी में भी।
टीडी ओके, अगर टीडी है तो टीएच तो होगा ही साथ में।
यस।
और सोचो।
और
ट्राई योर बेस्ट, यू कैन। इमेज टैग, heading elements,
हेडिंग टैग। हेडिंग एलिमेंट।
heading elements, okay. Then paragraph
Yes.
tag, P tag stands for paragraph tag. In that also you have align attribute. बेटा HR tag, horizontal rule, इसमें भी align attribute होता है। ठीक है, am I clear राइना?
Yes.
Good, I appreciate your efforts, very nice. All right, height attribute. Height attribute किस किस टैग में होता है? हाँ दिव्यांश बोलो, वीडियो ऑफ नहीं करनी आंसर देते वक्त। चलो कोशिश करो, अनम्यूट करो। हाँ कोशिश करो दिव्यांश।
सर टीआर टैग
टीआर ओके।
और टीडी।
टीडी में हाइट नहीं होता, टीडी में विड्थ होता है बेटा।
ओके।
जो टॉपिक हम आजकल कर रहे हैं उसमें भी है ये। व्हाट वी आर डूइंग दीज डेज, विच टॉपिक वी आर डूइंग दीज डेज? हम आजकल टेबल्स कर रहे हैं ना दिव्यांश,
यस सर।
सो इट इज इन टेबल टैग ऑल्सो। ओके, इमेज में होता है, इमेज टैग में होता है हाइट। ओके, टीआर
Yes.
टेबल एंड इमेज टैग।
इमेज टैग।
Good, very good efforts. All right, no shade. Beta, no shade means gray color line in 2D rule drawn across the width of the web page. So I have given you the hint in which tag it will appear. It is in HR tag. This attribute is only available in HR tag. A two-dimensional rule of gray color will be drawn across the width of the screen. Start attribute. Okay, let me tell who will answer this. Yes, Tanya, start attribute.
Sir, ordered list.
Order list. Very good, Tanya. Ordered list. OL. Okay, type attribute. Type attribute. Vivan, come on the video if you want to give the answer. Okay, Princey. Unmute.
Sir, unordered list. Unordered list.
Unordered list or
Ordered list.
order list. Very good. Good efforts, Princey. All right. SRC. Source. SRC. Yes, Prikshit. Unmute yourself, Prikshit.
Sir, image tag.
Very correct. Excellent. Image tag. Good efforts, Prikshit. I appreciate. Okay, background. Background. Yes, Tanya.
Sir, image body.
इमेज में नहीं होता बैकग्राउंड बेटा, बॉडी और टेबल में होता है, टीआर में होता है, टीडी में होता है और टीएच में भी होता है। ठीक है तान्या, क्लियर है बेटा? ओके गुड। फ्रेम एट्रीब्यूट, अब ये तो आना चाहिए, ये तो सबको आना चाहिए. In which tag frame attribute is present? It's only present in table tag. It's only available in table tag. Rules attribute. Rules attribute only in table tag. Border color again only in table tag. Border color light only in table tag. And border color dark again only in table tag. I hope this conceptual question is clear to all of you. I hope the conceptual question is clear to everyone. All right. Now another conceptual question which I'm going to discuss with you people. I will write some options over here. You are to specify whether the option is a tag or it is an attribute. You have to tell me whether the given option is a tag or it is an attribute. Okay. First, align. Align. Yes, Bisamjot.
It is an attribute.
It is an attribute. Very good, Bisam. Good. All right. Cell padding. Yes, Vivan Kumar.
Attribute.
Attribute. Very good. Attribute. Okay, third option. H1. H1. विवान उप्पल पहले वीडियो पे आइए, फिर आपको अनम्यूट किया जाएगा. हाँ विवान बोलो.
सर टैग.
वेरी गुड विवान, एक्सीलेंट. टैग. ओके. बॉर्डर. यस ईशा प्रीत.
Sir, attribute.
Very good, Isha Preet. Attribute. Good job. All right. Body. Body. परीक्षित वीडियो पे आओ, फिर म्यूट करूंगा मैं. यस परीक्षित.
Sir, tag.
Tag. Very good, Parikshit. Good. Excellent. All right. Next is IMG. Yes, Vivan Kumar.
Tag.
Tag. Very right. Very correct. Tag. Next, TR. TR. Yes, Aryan. Aryan, unmute yourself. Yes, beta.
Sir, tag.
Very good, Aryan. Excellent job. Tag. So I hope such conceptual questions are totally clear to you now. Okay. In the coming assignments, you will have such type of questions. All right. Now, I am writing the name of the tag. You are to tell me the full form. TR. TR. Yes, Isha Preet.
Table row.
Table row. Okay. TD. TD. Yes, Raina.
Table data.
Very correct. Table data. Okay. Jia 20 रोल नंबर वीडियो पे आइए बेटा. यह जिया धवन, आप TH बताइए. बेटा अनम्यूट करो खुद को. Gia, am I audible to you, bete? Some technical problem is coming, Gia. Okay, wait. Take your time. Take your time, Gia. No problem. Take your time. Till then, I ask from some. Hasita has raised hand. Hasita, can you hear me? Yes, Hasita, unmute yourself.
Table heading.
Table header, bete. Very correct. Table header. Okay. P. Only P. Yes, Tanya.
Sir, paragraph.
Paragraph. Paragraph tag. Very right. Very correct. All right. BR. BR. Whom should I unmute? All right. Yes, Gia.
Sir, line break.
Line break, or you can say break.
Break.
Or you can say break.